YouTube. UKLockPicka back with another video. This morning I'm going to be picking this Union padlock. That's the keyway. I'll give it a quick shine up this morning with a little bit of sandpaper to make it a little bit better. I'm going to be using these new picks I've had off eBay. Only cheap, they were about $3.99, like, not special, but it'll get us picking until I get a chance to make some. I'm going to pop the lock on the vise. Let's see if I can get this on camera. Hopefully you can all see that. These are better angle. Let's see. Start at the back. It's 5, 4, 3, 2. Back 5. 4 didn't move, 3 didn't move, 2 wasn't moved, 1 did though. These are all serrated pins. You can hear them click, click, click before the set. I'll lighten up on the tension a little bit. 2 set, 1 just needs setting, I think, and it shouldn't be too far from open. No, 1 stuck. Slight rotation there of the cylinder. So I'm reckon just touch the pins. There's one more pin in these unset somewhere. I'm pretty sure it's number 1. And 1 set. 2 set, 3 is, 4 is, that was 5, and it's over. So that was the Union 50mm padlock. Loads of serrated pins in that one. That was a nice pick. It's a good strong shackle. Give us a nice pop. I've also got this one, which is a Medico lock. Something you probably find on a locker in maybe just swimming baths or something, or a leisure centre. This, I'm pretty sure it's been picked, although I can't get the angles. I don't know how to spin the pins in order to get the correct angle on the key. See the angles on there. So you'd pick the pins, and from what I've read, you'd have to spin the pins in order to match the key or the angle on the keys. So if you've got any tips on spinning pins, get in contact, leave us a message. And as always, please subscribe, leave your comments, and like this video. Bye for now.